Tell us. Wait for the host. Tim's gonna give us the rundown. Tim, what the heck do we have going on here?
All right, so we have a universal M25 XP engine that a coworker of mine has bought, or intends to buy, used for a sailboat. And it was professionally rebuilt in 2018 by a shop in Fort Townsend.
Allegedly.
Allegedly. Although we talked to the mechanic and seems to be verified, we'll see. Has not been installed since rebuilt. So effectively, 0 hours since major rebuild. And so we've got it here before he installs his boat and commits the engine. We're gonna see if we can get it running. So right now it's super jury rigged. I didn't have a lift pump or a secondary fuel filter.
Borrowed those from an old M40 Universal we had sitting out back.
Yep, just sitting there right now, kind of cattywampus, but we got a oil pressure gauge just to check gear oil pressure.
A known good one, just to check. We don't have any gauges obviously set up, but we got that hooked to the old oil Christmas tree on the back there. Excellent. Do we have coolant in it?
Yes.
There's coolant.
Topped off.
And there's oil.
Fresh coolant, fresh oil. We'll check those fluids.
All right. And so, you're just going to jump in and we're going to see what happens. How do you control the fuel on this beast?
Well, we've got a throttle right down here that's going to be, actually that's a good point, let me move that. So there's our throttle and our cutoff goes right there.
Most importantly, how do we turn the beast off?
That's our fuel shut off.
And if she really runs away on us, we'll just have to rip that off and
cover it up.
Cork her.
A plastic bag or something.
Okay.
All right. So,
Jacob, give us raw water flow.
Water. Okay.
A little leak out of the front of the pump.
Yeah, we know that.
Maybe we'll hang on. I might try to cover that. It's kind of going right on the alternator here.
As long as it doesn't hit the
belt, it will.
All right.
Maybe.
Shall we?
Maybe be okay. Fire in the hole. Smoke. I see smoke.
Fuel. Sounds like diesel.
Getting fuel. Getting fuel. Oh, the compression lever. Definitely getting smoke. All right, time out for a second. Okay, Tim. Take two. What went down on the last one?
Well, we seem to have compression. We definitely have fuel based on white smoke, but we're gonna see if we can get the glow plugs running. We realize we don't have a glow plug relay, so we're gonna direct it.
We forgot about the glow plugs, and these old beasts probably like the heat in that cold cylinder. We'll see if it helps at all.
Yeah, we're just gonna run straight to the battery to see if we can get her going.
So we're gonna pay attention to any oil pressure this time.
Yeah. Okay. We'll go ahead there. Fuel pump.
Oh, she likes that a lot more.
That's probably air. I lost my smoke.
Maybe. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, damn it. Now we got to bleed our injectors.
Yep.
She really wanted to go. Okay, we'll be back for round 3.
All right.
Tim, we're back. This is a take 3 moment.
Yep.
What happened? So first time we forgot about the glow plugs.
Yep.
Second time.
Well, we got an airlock in the fuel system. So
right.
we're monkeying around with putting a lift pump on there. We got air in the system, so rebuilt the lift pump, which needed a little help, and now we've got that running. We seem to have fuel up top, and so we're ready to give her a go.
Let's see what happens.
Yeah.
I'll turn on water.
Okay, there's the fuel pump.
Go.
There's the glow plug. All right, let's see what we got here.
Definitely got fuel. Oh yeah, she's trying. Go, girl. We have oil pressure, lots of oil pressure. 50 PSI, just on crank. Yeah, baby. Yeah, number 1 injector spraying, so she's running on 2 cylinders. That's what a leak injector does.
Oversight when we were bleeding.
Oh, you like that? Definitely got a little drag on the trail, maybe it's not bad. like we got a runner.
Yeah, we are.
Excellent.
Very little work.
Cool.
Skallywags, located in the beautiful Pacific Northwest, where Skagit Valley College has been training technicians since 1968. If you are looking for industry certification and the skills to work in maritime, this is the place to visit. Our staff will share so much knowledge and experience, you will not be disappointed. The workforce demand is very high and all of our graduates are working around the world. If this sounds interesting to you, schedule a tour and come check us out.